Hi, this is Saintjerome of Crypto Experiences, bringing you yet another crypto experience. Today is 8/19 and 23, and oh my gosh, the sky is caving in on all the cryptocurrencies. I don't know what to do. Is it is it a crypto crash? Is everything burning? XRP, Doge, Bitcoin, Theta, oh my, the whole world. Litecoin, my Litecoin gang. Or is it FUD? Huh? Are you a newbie? Are you scared? Um, are your pants still clean? Well, don't you fear. We've been through this before. Now, I want to talk about some strategies here that people have. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just this old guy sitting with a laptop in his kitchen trying to make videos. But anyway, uh, some of my magical internet friends have been talking, and I listen to a lot of podcasters, and I've been around the crypto sphere now for about 7 years. Picked up a few things along the way. So, from previous experience, back on mutual fund days, which I would not do for anything, not financial advice, we used to talk about dollar cost averaging. And I think that is one of the best ways to attack any investment, whether it be stocks, little secret there. That personally, no. Uh, Precious metals or different kind of cryptocurrencies. Now, everybody wants to take and wad up and boom, throw it against the wall, see if it sticks. Pepe coin or XRP or Dogecoin or Theta or Bitcoin Cash or a lot of other coins, right? So if you've seen my videos before, I've got to the point after kind of messing around a little bit in the world buying Komodo. Wait, you ready for this one? But Dow, but Dow is supposed to be a good coin. But Dow, hey, I'm not a big fan of Divi right now either. What the world's wrong with Divi? But so are we in a crypto crash or is it fear, uncertainty, and doubt? Is it FUD? What the FUD? What's the price of these things anyway? Well, looking off of my little handy coin deco here on this phone, it's slightly out of sight. Uh, Bitcoin is down to $26,000 as of 6/12 Central Time on the 19th. We have Ethereum. It is 1,660. I'm going to round up 7. USDT hanging in there. Let's see, BNB 216.56. XRP went back up a little bit. Did a fall and it's gone back up a little bit. Did we miss the dip? It's at 51 cents now, almost 52 cents. Let's skip down a little bit. Doge, kind of like that Doge. It's at about 6 cents right now. What else we got going down here? Okay. How about Bitcoin Cash, 186.25. Quant, $99.99.83. Litecoin, boy, that's the one for my fam. All right. Bitcoin, $26,000. Litecoin, 60. What did I see here? $63.71. Really? Well, don't tell the Bitcoin maximalists, but Litecoin is kind of a better currency. So we think it, boy, that's a bargain right now. There's only going to be 84 million of Litecoins ever made, and wow, it's a lot faster than Bitcoin. Does pretty much everything Bitcoin done, and it hasn't had a boo boo yet. It's kept on running since 2010. So that's what I think about Litecoin. So Ethereum Classic, it's 1551. Let's skip down a little bit. Theta, that's a favorite for me and my buddies, down to 62 cents. Is that a dip? XRP, there's the big one, right? It's at 51 cents here. Oh, we just talked about it already. XLM, it's rallied a little bit. It's at 12 cents, 12 and a quarter cents. Doge, we talked about. T Fuels way down there, about 3 cents. What else we got down here? Yeah, the dreaded Badow. I still list Badow as one of my choices. Oh my gosh, look at it. 0.0008. It just keeps adding zeros. And of course, Shiba Inu. So, anyway, What the FUD? What's that? Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So what are we hearing from those been in crypto a while? They are saying buy the dip, buy the dip. But maybe it's a 7-layer dip. Is the dip just going to keep on dipping? Crypto's crashing, crashing. What's the dip from the wise people who have been on the mountain for a while? Buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. So if it falls 30%, not financial advice. Some people say buy the dip. Matter of fact, a humorous little side note: I was listening to Hash It Out last night on Blind Dave's crypto channel, and Clint Westwood disappeared for a while. They go, "What's going on, Clint?" He come back. Guess what he did? He went out and he bought the dip on Litecoin. I thought that was hysterical and very wise. Buy the dip. Everybody's saying buy the dip. But when you buy the dip and it just keeps dipping. Ah. And what does our buddy Warren Buffett say? He says, be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. Buy the dip from fearful paper hands. He's had a lot of experience and a lot of gain and riches from being able to do that. It's hard to do. It's scary. I tell you what you can do though, you buy the dip and just sit back and watch everybody else rush to it, and maybe go to Clint Westwood's bar. That might be a good place to wait out the dip. So the dip is finished. So which one are you of these three people? Are you the one who bought the dip, or are you the one who bought the actual dip, or are you the one who bought the dip of the dip? Who's got the draw? Honestly, as long as they don't pull the trigger, they're all in pretty good shape, I would say. But that's not a financial advice. So now what? You bought the dip. You're scared. What do you do? Well, we got to HODL, hold on for dear life. As we say from Kenny Rogers, you got to know when to HODL. You got to know when to FODL. Or that means walk away, when to walk away, know when to FUD. In those famous words of Kenny Rogers, who we know was into cryptocurrency, I think, wasn't he? Not financial advice. Or our buddy Mel, he didn't know what to do, so he kept buying the dip, and it kept getting dipping lower, but he kept buying, and now he is fierce, and he is HODL. They're going to hold that line, hold on for dear life against all FUD. HODL. It is all just a matrix anyway. You are complete control. HODL. You will break out of the matrix of fiat currency, of rigged markets like the rigged silver market, like fiat and treasury bonds. HODL, HODL, HODL. Not financial advice. Because my good friend Leonardo says, stay calm and HODL. So, yes, it's good strategy to buy the dip, but it's always hard to tell when the dip is. However, if it was at a high price and it's lower, folks, that's a dip. But what if it goes dippier? Well, not financial advice, but we were talked before on some of the good cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Theta and Litecoin and XRP and XLM. And there's others. They seem to have a big upside. I think there's going to be about somewhere around 10 to 20 cryptos that are really going to be strong in the future. Hopefully, get one of those. Now, occasionally get lucky, and you can catch a meme coin or something on the way up. But then on those, maybe you don't hodl. Maybe you get off when you made a good little profit. So a lot of people made some money when Doge just shot up. It was way below a penny, and boom. Well, look at that guy on Bitcoin. Good night. He bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoins. That's some pretty expensive pizzas nowadays. But he, I'm going to live that down too much. A lot of people threw their hard drives away because they had some Bitcoin on. They go, man, that's like pennies, no big deal. Uh-oh. Yeah, one guy, I think it's in England, still looking for his hard drive. So anyway, thank you for watching my podcast today. I just want to give you some thoughts about the dip. Um, not financial advice, but in my opinion, I think we're going down a little farther here in the near future. So I don't think it's a constant drop. I think we would drop, come back up, drop. We're kind of seeing maybe 38,000 Bitcoin after a rally and then a big drop. So I think we're going to see some of these cryptos get to some outstandingly low prices, and then boy, that's going to be the dip. So if you see XRP, for example, heading below 30 cents once again, maybe as low as like 20-ish cents, that might be a good time to really load up, back up the truck and load it up. And same thing for other currencies too. Boy, you see Litecoin drop farther down to $30 or something, load up the truck. Another good buy right now is silver. Holy cow, is the ratio of silver to gold way out of whack. It's getting about 85 to 1. So, wow, what a good buy silver is. So, not financial advice, but maybe you want to stick with sovereign coins if you've never invested in silver, coins from a country. You can get American Eagles, which are great, but the premium is way higher than other coins. You'll see like Austrian Philharmonics and South African Krugerrands, the Kangaroos of Australia, the Canadian Maple Leafs. These are many times premiums quite a bit small, and lately there's been a lot of bargains with that. Then you might want to snatch up some junk silver. Not really junk; it's 90% silver. So 1964 and below, quarters, dollars, half dollars, and dimes. And in the war, they made some of the nickels had silver, had good quantity of silver in too. And so those are actually worth a couple of bucks nowadays. Wow. Well, thanks for watching my podcast. Once again, I just wanted to address the dip situation. Yeah, you want to buy the dip. Hard to guess when it is, but don't be afraid. Okay, so you got it. So you got in and you bought the dip, and then it dips lower. You got in. Okay, it should go back on most of those main coins. But if you made the mistake like I did of buying, but now you can kiss your money goodbye. But now is when you look at the exchanges, but now is like trading in the hundreds of dollars, not hundreds of thousands of dollars, hundreds of dollars. One day I had a whole day of like $240 on the exchange. Oh my gosh. Yeah, not worth too much. So I'm glad to invest too much in it because bam, that was a ripoff. So anyway, thanks for watching the podcast today. If you got any comments, please put them down below. I have some good links to save you some money if you want to get a lot of crypto. Mel Carmine and I have the same broker, I'm pretty sure, Caleb and Brown. Mel wants you to invest $10,000. Hey, if you invest 2,000, they will take you on as a full client with a broker, and you can also get on their portal for $500. I think if you do it yourself. So if you use my code down below, you get a permanent 3.5% fee, which that's awesome right now. I also like Olive. I'm not any part of Olive, but right now, way I figure it, their fee is usually 3.98%, close to 4%, obviously. Giving up on Coinbase, when you want to get something, you got to wait 7 days, or you got this problem. Had a friend got hacked on it. He had a little bit micro amounts taken out, and they just kept taking it out. And he tried to slow it down, and they didn't stop. I know frustration when you want to get something, and I think they got to go out and buy it because they don't have it. Just thinking out loud. So Olive is a good little on ramp for, and then Exodus is a simple way, more expensive way, but you get your currency, bring it in the Exodus, and you can trade for almost everything that you want to trade for inside of Exodus. Even Theta, I remember when it was hard to get Theta, we had to go on Simple Swap or go on Dex.io kind of thing, but now you can do it right there. So that's pretty cool. So, well, I leave you today, and thank you. Please hit a like and subscribe. I have my 500 subscriber contest going on. When I get my 500 subscriber, the next person to comment after the 500th subscriber will get 10,000 Satoshis. Hey, I found a little batch of Ballet gift cards. So if you live in the continental in the United States, I will send you your 10,000 Satoshis through the mail on a Ballet gift card. If you're international, outside of the United States, you give me your public address, folks. You can't steal from the public address. I will send you your Satoshis, your Bitcoin little bits, through that public address. I had two people win. One never claimed their prize, and the other one did, and they got the 100,000 Satoshi. It was like 23 or $4 at the time. So right now, it's about a $3, roughly a little bit less than $3. I may sweeten the pot and throw a couple in there because that's kind of chintzy. Yeah, I agree too. So especially for 500 subscribers. All right, thank you very much, and thanks for watching. See you soon.